Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, welcome back. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a shave, lined up for you today. Come on, we'll go through the stuff. First off, the brush, PAA Phantom Aerolite. Let's get it right way up for you. Absolutely love. Favourite handle from PAA. My favourite knot is the Peregrino. This is my favourite handle. I want that knot in this brush. Absolutely wonderful. There you go. We're going to get that to soak in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. We know you don't have to soak synthetic brushes, but we like that ritual, don't we? That's the brush. Okay, the razor, gifted to me by a subscriber in the United States of America. There you go. That's the Ikon. I think it's the B1 slant. That's what we've got there. It's the Ikon B1 slant. What we're going to be putting in the head, the top cap, we're stuck together then, guys. I don't know what's going on there. Right. Wow. It's a bit of that's the strangest thing. That's like glue, like a very strange tacky kind of a glue in there. Then I don't know what's gone on there. But anyway, what we're going to be putting in there is a Vijon. Hi John, Vijon, my John, Ikon. Okay, freshly opened packet. These are out of India, these guys. Indian blades, you know what Indian blades are really. From the makers of the world's largest selling shaving cream. That's probably the largest, it's the largest selling in the world, but in India, I think it's one of the only shaving creams. I may be wrong, I think it's one of the only shaving creams, and like the Indian population, there's like billions, isn't there? If they all buy that, they would make this the best selling one quite easily. Okay, now this troubles me. Check this out, guys. Are they meant to be like that? Can you see the edges of that blade? The edges are slightly discoloured. What's going on today? What is going on? I'll tell you what we're going to do. Come on. Cryotech. With Cryotech. Let's open another one. Before your very eyes. Come on. Right, let's get that open. Yeah, the edges are my phone picking it up. The edges seem ever slightly discoloured on that one too. We'll sort it out and put it back in there off cam, because if this is a tripe shave, it's not going back in there. Okay, we'll get that into soak along with that. Right, the aftershave splash, Bruttal, Polish. There you go. It's going to be cloudy. It must be. It's got really cold. It wasn't cloudy when I got it out yesterday when I was sorting the thumbnail out. It wasn't cloudy. Came back to it this morning and it is. So I don't know what's going on there. Do you remember Floid aftershave balm? I bought this. And I bought the vetiver one. The vetiver one is phenomenal. It was only when I went to try and use this one I realised I'd bought the shaving gel, not the balm. Well, I went back and now I've bought the balm. You see there, aftershave balm, Citrus Spectre. It'll go very well with today's soap. Oh, don't even get me started. Here we go. Check it out. Physique Shave Soap number 7, I think it's actually called. And Amazon recommended it to me, and I bought it, guys, for the princely sum of £8. It says £8.99 though. I paid £8 for it. Listen to this, guys. Enables smooth glide, resulting in fewer cuts, antibacterial properties, soothes inflammation, leaves skin feeling soft and irritation free, moisturizes the skin. Get this, guys. Offers a luxurious scent. No, it doesn't. I'll speak a bit more about that in a minute. Our shave soap will soften and lubricate your skin for the most lavish shave yet. £8, now £9. Guys, It said it's a citrus sandalwood scent. There it is. It came to me wrapped in cellophane. I opened it out of the cellophane. There's no scent at all. Nothing. Absolute zero. Rub it. Let it warm a bit in the skin. Nothing. Doesn't even smell like soap. Absolute nothing. So I'm going to use this today. We'll get a video out of it, and then it's going in there, and I'll use it as a shampoo puck when I'm in the shower. That's about all it's good for. See, I've spent this money so that you don't have to. This is the dedication and commitment you get from John Shays. Right, come on. Enough of this waffleisation. Where are we up to? Look, nearly 6 minutes and I haven't even started shaving yet. So how will we go with it? What should we do? Sorry. You see that? You can see it now. To be fair, the lather is quite thick and decent, but this is a very, very, very hard puck, guys. And we'll do that there. And we'll do what I always do. Come on, let's get it on there. Yeah, look. It's absolutely solid without the whistle. It's absolutely solid, guys. It's slick, but it's not as slick as say what's the other one I've got in there? Oh, Colonel Conk. Not as slick as Colonel Conk. And there's absolutely no scent in it, guys. We'll dip the tips. Does seem like it could take some water. You're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Don't be fooled. I'm fooled by the packaging and the description. Dip the tips again. Well, fair play. It's a thirsty soap, isn't it? You could keep going and going and going. Still absolutely no scent. So let's get a wriggle on and we'll try this. I think I've used these razor blades before, guys. The phone is sitting a little high again. I tweaked it before I came in. It needs to drop. The amount that it's sitting in needs to drop by about an inch, and I dropped it by about 1/3 of an inch. So there you go. Well, this is just how I suffer for my art. How have you all been doing? Oh guys, I've got to tell you, I joined a club. Some of you may be in this club, some of you may not. I don't want to be in it. And I managed to fight off joining this club until today. I walked into the kitchen. Oh yeah, determined, absolutely determined. What have I come in here for? And I still can't remember what I went in for, but I went in for something. So, if you're in that club, please let me know. But don't try and encourage me. There's nothing you can say. Oh my word, there's absolutely nothing you can say. This razor is doing fantastic, guys. So let me know what your shaves of the day are. We're getting some frosty weather now. If you've used this soap, let me know. If you've used that Floid Balm, let me know. I don't know what it's like, but the vetiver one is phenomenal. Absolutely, the scent on that vetiver one is absolutely phenomenal. So let's just see how we go on with this one. Okay, that blade in that razor is doing okay. The slickness level, it's like I said, think of any glycerin soap you've ever used, it's not there. I mean, literally, Pear's glycerin soap offers more slickness than this. The lather, have to be honest guys, a pretty decent lather. I think if it had kept dipping and hydrating and going on with this, I could have got a really decent lather. But with no scent and not a great deal of slickness. And maybe the slickness would come with extra water and hydration, I don't know. But I was disappointed when I smelt it, and that hasn't changed. There is absolutely no scent whatsoever at all to this. It's only half the slickness of much cheaper. I mean, £2, little cheap £2 glycerin soaps that you can get are way more slick than this. And when you think, guys, this soap is glycerin based, and glycerin is added to other soaps for slickness, so yeah. If I can save you guys a bit of money, I mean, there may be some people out there, if you've got the money, and money's no object, and you decide to plump for this and give it a go anyway, please come back at some point in the future on this video. Give me your feedback. I'd love to hear it. I really would love to hear it. Because I reviewed a soap one. Well, I don't review soaps, I just use them and give my opinion on it. And this guy sent me an email and he was furious. Honestly, it was like he wanted me to pay for the soap because he got different scent notes than me. And he was furious with me. You said you got this and it doesn't smell anything like this. Lather mittens, guys. Well, do you know what I mean? You can't argue with that lather, can you? Look. Look at that. Let's have a feel. The usual suspects. The usual suspects just on the neck area there. And that's because just the shape of the human body. That tends to hollow in a little bit. What I do, neck up, skin down. And that's got it. Using the thumb to pull it. That's got us. That's our shave, guys. That is our shave. There you go. We'll have a lean in a minute. Oh. Oh, right, okay. We did okay, didn't we? Skin doesn't feel the greatest. It doesn't. But then I don't evaluate skin feel because I'm putting stuff on after it. But we got a good close shave, guys. We got a good close shave. That, There's a hint of aqua velvet about that. Bruttal. I don't use it a lot. I think it was like £1.50 a bottle. For good reason. But hey ho, here we go. Floid Citrus. What's it? Citrus Spectre. Genuine aftershave balm. Now, yeah, the quality of this balm is excellent. Not a great scent on this one, guys. Not a great scent on this one at all. So my advice, actually, very, very little scent. Maybe it's been overpowered by the aftershave, I don't know. Although, to be fair, I tried a little bit when it came and there was no scent in it then, really. Yeah. I've got the balm now. I will use the balm. Maybe it will get better when a bit of air gets to it. But I've got to be honest, if I had a choice, it would be the vetiver one all the way. Look at this, guys. Hey? We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Nice and smooth. No nicks, no cuts, no weepers, no creepers, no peepers, no jeepers. Look after yourselves and each other. Enjoy the week. Enjoy the life. It's cold outside, but be warm inside and spread the love. And I will see you all on Saturday. And it's in there. We've got a good one lined up for you Saturday, guys. Bye.